What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to a brand new video, and today we are going to be changing my bike's tyres. And yeah, I got some Continental Ultra Sport tyres. This is my bike. It's TDF LTD. Yeah, it is it's gonna get these new Continental tyres. Got some Continentals, and yeah, they're a little bit fatter than the other ones. But first you have to remove the wheel, which on my bike is just a quick release. So to remove the tyre, I have this brake caliper, and I needed to deflate the tyre. So yeah, so to get it out, I need through the brake pads, I need to deflate the tyre, otherwise it would have not gone out. So yeah, the tyre is now deflated, and pretty much all you need is a pump and a plastic thing that takes the wheel off, not the wheel, the tyre off. So I managed to get the tyre off, and yeah, I'll be installing the new tyre. What you want to do is to take the inner tube out of this tyre into the other one, but you do not want it to put in with completely no air. You have to have like some tiny bit of air in it left, so it doesn't get like all tangled up and everything, which is gonna be better for the inner tube. So I got the inner tube in, and what you do not want to do is put the inner tube first around the tyre. Always you want to put inside around the rim. You always want to put it inside the tyre first, because it will make your life much easier. So all you do is next line the valve up with the hole inside the rim. So I finally did it. Got the front tyre on. I mean, it's a bit dirty now because I've been throwing it on the ground. So yeah, Continental. I like to line the sticker for the bottom part right there with the valve and the other sticker thing on the rim. So it's all done now. All that's left to do is the rear. So I have finally finished the bike, and I've got both of the tyres done. I'm just really sorry about that, it's dark right now. I need to get a new valve cover for this one, because I'm gonna go for a test drive now, and it took me around an hour since I started, and I got both tyres done, and I set them up for 100 psi. So yeah, my bike is now fully done, and I'm thinking of getting some new bar tape, because this one is just like not too nice. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.